Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of material science and discuss the crucial role that chemistry plays in this field. So, let's dive right in. Chemistry, as we know, is the study of matter and its properties, composition, and structure. Material science, on the other hand, focuses on understanding how different materials behave and interact with each other. And it is the intricate relationship between chemistry and material science that brings forth numerous applications and advancements in our everyday lives. One of the primary roles of chemistry in material science is in understanding the composition and structure of materials. Chemists can analyze and determine the elements and compounds that make up a material, as well as their arrangement at the atomic and molecular level. This knowledge is essential in predicting and controlling the material's properties and performance. Chemistry also allows us to manipulate materials on a molecular level, enabling the creation of new and enhanced materials. Through a process called synthesis, chemists can design and develop materials with specific properties to meet various needs. For example, they can create materials that are stronger, more durable, or more lightweight, depending on the desired application. Moreover, chemistry plays a vital role in understanding the behavior of materials under different conditions. By studying the chemical reactions and transformations that occur within a material, scientists can identify factors such as temperature, pressure, and pH that can affect its stability and performance. This knowledge is crucial in ensuring the reliability and safety of materials used in various industries. Chemistry is also instrumental in the field of nanotechnology, which deals with materials and devices at extremely small scales. By harnessing the unique properties of nanoparticles, chemists can create materials with enhanced conductivity, greater strength, or improved reactivity. These nanomaterials have a wide range of applications, from electronics and medicine to energy storage and environmental remediation. In conclusion, chemistry plays a pivotal role in material science by providing insights into the composition, structure, behavior, and manipulation of materials. By understanding these fundamental aspects, scientists and engineers can develop advanced materials with improved properties and functionality. So, the next time you come across a new and innovative product, remember that chemistry played a crucial role in its creation. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the role of chemistry in material science. I hope you found it as fascinating as I did. Until next time, take care and keep exploring the amazing world of science.